Hello everyone, welcome to IS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic of the day is TDB DST supports Mini Mines Clean Tech Solutions Private Limited for sustainable recycling of lithium-ion batteries. In line with the Government of India's vision to promote sustainable technologies and strengthen domestic capabilities in critical minerals, the Technology Department Board, Department of Science and Technology has extended financial support to Mini Mines Clean Tech Solutions Private Limited for the project titled Sustainable Recycling of the Waste Lithium-Ion Batteries. The project aims at the commercialization of the indigenous zero-discharge sustainable battery recycling and critical mineral refining process to extract battery-grade salts of lithium, cobalt, nickel and manganese from end-of-life lithium-ion batteries. The initiative is expected to strengthen India's capability in recovering valuable critical minerals through advanced recycling technologies, thereby reducing dependence on imports and supporting the country's clean energy transition. Mini Mines Clean Tech Solutions Private Limited is the first R4 category recycler providing end-to-end solutions for end-of-life lithium-ion batteries, including extended producer responsibility services. The company has developed a proprietary process known as hybrid hydrometallurgy, which is designed to the agnostic to various lithium-ion battery chemistries and form factories. The company's black mass recovery and post-processing technology ensures low energy consumption, minimal emissions and high separation efficiency, enabling recovery rates of up to 99%. The complete process from pre-assessment, collection and segregation of mechanical processing and advanced post-processing stages such as extraction, selective separation and beneficiation has been indigenously developed and patented. This approach significantly reduces reliance on imported recycling technologies, equipment and critical raw materials, while also promoting the concept of urban mining within the country. Under the project, the company proposes to scale up its existing operations into a fully integrated commercial facility capable of processing multiple battery chemistries and producing high purity critical materials for reuse. The recovered battery compounds, including lithium carbonate and cobalt sulfate, will meet industry specifications and cater to both domestic and export markets. Speaking on the occasion, Sri Rajesh Kumar Pathak, Secretary TDB, stated development of indigenous technologies for recovery and refining of critical minerals from end-of-life batteries is crucial for strengthening India's energy security and clean technology ecosystem. Through this project, TDB is supporting the commercialization of a sustainable recycling solution that can reduce import dependence, promote critical economy practice, and contribute to the objective of the National Critical Minerals Mission. A representative of Mini Mines Clean Tech Solutions Private Limited expressed gratitude to TDB for the support and noted that the assistance would enable the company to scale its innovative recycling technology and accelerate the recovery of critical battery materials to environmentally sustainable processes. The project represents a significant step towards building a self-reliant and technology-driven ecosystems for critical mineral recovery and clean energy materials in India. By enabling efficient extraction of valuable metals from end-of-life batteries, the initiative aligns with national priorities of Atmanirbhar Bharat, circular economy adoption and the development of sustainable energy infrastructure. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a very nice day.